Hi, and welcome to the Unit 4, Day 4, What You Need to Know review for Unit 4 quiz week 1. So in the previous video, I went over expectations. You also have this PowerPoint slide as a PDF, so I won't go over it here. What I'm going to go over here is how do you navigate today's study resources. Okay, so let's just jump right into Schoology. So when you get into Schoology, we're in the green folder and we're in Unit 4, and then of course week 1, and then we're going to go down to Thursday. Right now this is not published to you, but it will be published to you by tomorrow. All right, so what you're going to do first is you're going to make sure you review the what you need to know for the quiz. You can either do that by opening up the video link, which is here, or you can do the PDF, go through a PDF of the PowerPoint slides. So after you go through what you need to know for the quiz, then you're going to take this week 1 quiz check-in, and it's essentially just checking in with how you feel about the topics that are on the quiz. So those two things are required. Then after you have done the check-in, then you're going to choose your own practice. And it says required as needed because there's different options for practice. The one that is strongly recommended is the practice quiz. And I strongly recommend you do this practice quiz because some of the questions actually come directly from the quiz that you're going to see on Friday or are very similar. When you do the practice quiz, the last question, question 10, is a free response. So I can't grade that right away. And people will be doing this at different times. So instead, what you're going to do is you're going to check your own answer using the answer key that's in this PDF document. Okay, so that's in that same folder. All right, so this is the week 1 practice quiz. Again, it's strongly recommended. Now, the other option besides the week 1 practice quiz are these quizzes. And what you're going to do is you're going to open up the link. And these are very specific to a certain topic that you need. Like, let's say you want practice on common ionic charges, you can do that. Now, if you go here and it doesn't appear, you can always click on the pop-out window and it'll appear on the side. Now, once you get here, you can, okay, sorry about that. I had to pause because I put in the wrong link. But anyway, when you get to the quizzes, and if the window doesn't appear, you can press this pop-out window and it'll pop the quiz out. Now you can play this as a game or you can do it as flashcards. There are a couple of options here that are useful. One is a timer. Some of the questions are 30 seconds to a minute. If you don't want to have to worry about a timer, I would turn that off. You just toggle it off. They also have these power-ups that are super cool. And if you would like for the document to be read aloud to you, not by me, but by a computerized voice, you can turn this on or off. All right, how you choose. You can also do this as flashcards. But let's say you go to play. You can automatically start playing the different types of questions are listed here. All right, so that's it for that. I'm not going to go through that with you, but the main thing is that there are different versions, different topics. Okay, so you've done your practice. Now what's next? You can check your week 1 notes if you would like. And then the last thing, this is the part that is graded, is a reflection survey about what you've done for today. All right, so that is pretty much it. That's how you're going to navigate the resources. All right, good luck.